Hi, and welcome to my 7th brush lettering video on proportion. Of course, the easiest way to change your proportion is to change the size of your brush pen, but there are other ways. If you make your letters taller, the lines become thinner. Or by squeezing the letters together, you create a denser look. This is our Kirsten Burke Sailor Dual brush pen. It has a small and large brush tip, so it's easy to switch proportions. Another way to add style and variation is to stretch the space between your letters. Make elongated connecting strokes. When we read a whole word in capitals, it's like shouting. It's a way of emphasizing a word. This is true in hand lettering as well, but write them big and in capitals. You can use small caps as a kind of linking tool, but they must be much smaller than the rest of your lettering so that the most important words take center stage. By changing the proportions of your lettering, the whole style alters. So once you've gained in confidence, you can add all these ideas together and create something which is called hierarchy, which gives the most important words emphasis. Colour can also do that, and I'll talk about that in my next video. So see you then.